Hey, everybody, it's Todd Ault. I'm in Indiana. Let's see if you can see from behind where I'm at. It's the 82nd episode of Risk On, and we said we were going to be in Indiana, and we are. You see the trucks in the background here. We're at a farmhouse, believe it or not, on our way to the Indy 500. I'm Todd Ault with Jason Bartholomew. It's the 82nd episode. It's May 27th. And I guess if you don't own AMC, you don't own anything, right, Jason?
AMC ripping shorts faces off today.
Killing people. Right.
Yeah, I know a guy that they wounded.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure some calls for sure.
Yeah, that's all right.
What do you think about the market, Jason? Let's cover the market real quickly. We're going to be doing an abbreviated show today, obviously, but tomorrow we're doing a full show from the Indianapolis 500.
Let's look here at the Dow. We've got the stats here. Pardon me if this is a little bit off because this incorporates
That's okay.
after hours. The Dow was finished up 240. The NASDAQ was down 20 to 13,680. The S&P was flat. The S&P was up 15. And as far as what else we got? Gold was down $4, $18.97. Silver almost $28 an ounce. Copper had a big day, $4.67. And oil was up 61 cents to 66.82.
It's incredible what oil is doing.
Yeah.
Just absolutely amazing to see oil. Yeah, we're doing it from the phone today. A little unusual. We traveled in, only about had an hour and a half drive here. We're at a farmhouse here.
Yeah.
Interesting, right?
Hey.
So far, the food's amazing.
It's great. We had this bacon.
Great weather, too.
Hey, anybody that listened to us yesterday, we talked about SOS. We had a little concern about them, and I broke down why I wasn't too concerned. SOS went over $4 today. We took some profit. Also, Canon had a nice day. We took some profit. And URG, the uranium play I talked about, had a pretty nice day, around $1.50 plus. The target on URG is $2. That's just what we're doing. We're not recommending any of those stocks. So we've been talking about them a little bit. So hopefully you guys can do your own due diligence and make your own decisions.
A new position we put on today, Express, EXPR, for sure. We were very aggressive today in selling SOS. We took some profit there. And, it's option expiration time here.
Yes.
So we're short some Tesla calls and some AMC calls. Those AMC calls moved against us pretty hard, but I'm pretty convicted there. This will eventually blow over.
Express had a 13G filed after hours, 5% ownership.
You're on camera.
It gapped up right away, and so we looked at it. So we took a position in EXPR. I think it has a $14 high, 52-week high. With retail opening back up, I think they have streamlined their business model. So I think there's an opportunity there to make a few points on that one.
I will point out something to you that I was looking at. It looks like to me that the triple Qs are they rolled back up, but they're not back to their previous highs. It doesn't look extraordinary to me, actually. It looks weak the way I look at it. And so I'm still biased to the downside. I know everyone else is like, they're pretty back on. It's a risk on moment for a lot of people. They're kind of not worried about the market. What do you think, Jason?
I'm still worried about the market. They're talking about spending trillions and trillions more. I don't know where we're getting this out of thin air. Inflation's still going to be a problem. I noticed that existing home sales was down too. Those numbers were down. And I also noticed that the infrastructure plan is probably going to be chopped down a little bit. So we'll see about that.
Hey, just a heads up on POWW. We have cut our position pretty substantially. We went into the week with about 550,000 shares. We have around 200,000, and it looks great. Obviously, they announced today they are sponsoring a Richard Childress race.
NASCAR. Also, we have the preferred.
Sure.
So we got to remember that. Richard Childress NASCAR, they PR'd that, which is kind of cool. I kind of like that.
Sure.
But obviously, everybody needs ammo still. There's a lot of crime. People want to defend themselves in their homes, their businesses. So, yeah, there's a backlog in ammo. They have $180 to $200 million backlog still.
Right. We're not saying we don't like it at all, but we are at the highest cash levels we've been in a long time. I think, Jason, we're at probably over 60% cash. Right?
Cash is a position.
We have a large cash position right now, and we are looking for bargains.
Yes.
Obviously, we had that big run up in Friedman FRD. We did lighten up a little bit, but not much. The 13Ds stay in place. Nothing changing there for sure.
I mean, I still love steel. I mean,
right.
What's not to love about it? Copper.
Yeah, I want to point out something. just some Captain Obvious stuff. I know people have been asking about the prospectus for Alzamend. And let me just say one thing for everybody, all those naysayers out there. The company would not invest in any deal that it didn't get a third-party fairness opinion on and get independent board approval on. So I can't talk about that, but I know people are out there saying nonsense.
I don't even know if so. So a lot of the people even know what
people are probably about Alzamend and the IPO.
They might not know that it's
it's a public filing. You guys are free to look at it. I'll be answering questions about that when I'm legally allowed to, probably in the next week or so. But I appreciate that. Josh, I know we got some pretty exciting videos that we're going to promote what's going on with Stormy Simon, the former president of Overstock. When can we play that?
Yeah, it looks like we're going to be launching today at 4:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But I think Brett's still loading it up. So in just a little bit. Oh,
hey,
we're ready.
Guys. Hey, this is a interview I did with Stormy Simon, the former president. She was actually president of High Times too, CEO, for a very short time. But she was president of Overstock, started there from the ground floor. Let's check out this promo on Stormy Simon.
There's something called the glass ceiling. Have you heard of it? And I thought, oh, hell no. This guy cannot be for real. Yes. And I think women, especially my age, that have actually had to navigate through it, we have an understanding of, you just didn't take on the male stuff when you're going through your career as a female. You did not go through this. And I started seeing these patterns of traffic. Ran the campaign for pennies. It took us from about 200 million to about 600 million.
Wow.
And that was and it was all based on that formula that I'd come up with of how we could measure the spend.
No, I'm going to explain to you real quick.
That's excellent. So when will that be out again, Josh?
4:00 Pacific Standard Time today.
Hey, Skyla, I know this is an abbreviated show. You're in Mule days. Now, Skyla will be riding a mule for us today, and she'll be in her bikini. Skyla, let's go to Skyla.
That is not true. I will ride a mule if I can, for sure, because they're awesome. We actually saw a lot of wild mules on the drive here, almost hit a cow. It was fun, but it's literally out in the middle of nowhere. The weather's great out here, though. I'm excited for Mule Days. I think it'll be a lot of fun.
Hey, you got your joke of the day yet?
I do. Would you like to hear it?
Let's go.
So, if April showers bring May flowers, what do May flowers bring? Any guesses? What? Pilgrims.
Pilgrims. These are all dad jokes for sure. That's my style for sure.
That's what you're going to get.
Yep.
That was solid.
Hey, tomorrow we're going to be broadcasting live from the Indianapolis 500. It's practice day. Definitely a risk-on moment for those drivers out there. It's going to be a lot of fun watching the Indy 500. You ever been before, Jason?
No, but we got a lot of bets in on these guys.
Yeah, we did bet a lot. Hey, starting June 1st, the show's going to change its format a little bit. A little more graphics, a little more better charts we're going to be incorporating. But more importantly than that, we're going to be merging the Risk On Sports Show with Risk On. We'll have a segment. Marshall Wilkinson will be joining us. Basically, hopefully, periodically on different segments of the show when he's traveling. Jason's going to have his own little segment there for Risk On Sports, and we're going to be covering some individual stocks. Also, too, I think starting, Josh, when in about a week or two, when are we going to start the big business section where we're going to answer questions directly about your business and also cover some stocks, too, directly that I'm going to be doing one-on-one with everybody here? When's that going to happen, Josh? About 2 weeks?
June 10th on a Thursday.
Oh, wow. June 10th. That's a busy day.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, hopefully nothing else is happening there. Yeah. Got a nice filing for an IPO. Hopefully June 10th is an important day.
Real quick, we didn't cover Naked. Did we get a text back or no?
I will check real quickly.
Yeah.
Let me check real quick.
All right.
Here, you hold the phone.
Yeah, let's do this. So Naked had a nice day today with all the others, I don't want to call whatever. It's a meme stock. It's more personal than the other meme stocks to me, simply because we're trying to get the CEO of the company for an interview. And we're trying to get an update on that right now. Bear with us for 1 second here. We're going to give you guys Nope. We did not get a response. We do not have a date for the interview yet with Justin. So just being honest and transparent for everyone. And going into
he did actually respond here.
Oh, he did.
Can you please send me some links to the recent show? We'll see what happens.
Okay,
there.
okay, good.
Yeah, we'll see what happens there. I'm sure he's reviewing that.
Hey, I would love to stick around, but I think we need to go eat.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey guys, I know this is an abbreviated show, and I apologize that we're traveling. If you guys want some merch, don't forget the last day to get free merch is 714-795-1831. No, what's wrong with me? It's 714. What is it? 949? Josh, am I getting this wrong?
949.
It's 949-799-1831. 949-799-1831. If you put in merch there, we're going to send you some merch. We've been sending it out like crazy.
Yes.
Hopefully that's happening for us.
First, right?
What'd you say?
The last date for free merch is the 31st, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Right. Well,
Yeah.
actually, we'll probably make it June 1st because we won't have a show. Monday's a holiday. There'll be no Risk On show for sure. But there will be one directly from the Indy 500 tomorrow. So we're pretty excited about that. Jason, anything else we need to cover?
Not too much. Risk on Sports had a nice day yesterday. We won 3 parlays, cash for like $850. We're up. We started with $1,200. We're at $6,000 now since April 1st. Building a small bankroll, showing people how to grind.
Dude, $1,200 to $6,000.
Yeah,
You're killing it, and it's all audited too.
Yeah.
Hey, I did want to cover a couple things before we go. Bitcoin back to 38,709. Ethereum to 2753. Any thoughts on crypto at all?
it's just kind of in this channel now, the 35 to 40, 40.5. Let's see what happens over the long weekend. People get a little bit of fire. They decide to buy. Let's see if it can hold 40K this weekend. I think it has a chance.
Hey, everyone, we'll see you tomorrow. We apologize for the abbreviated show, but we've been telling people we're traveling today. Overall, Dow up. I saw Boeing ripping up 9. That was incredible today.
Yep.
Tomorrow's option expiration. You guys take care of yourself. Be well out there. We'll be answering questions tomorrow. It'll be a full show tomorrow. Full show tomorrow. We'll check it out. Skylar, you take care up here at Mule's Day. We'll see you tomorrow. Josh, anything before we go?
That's it. Be well.
All right, guys. Everyone be well.